Imagine a world where knowledge isn't just taught, but experienced in real time. Where complex tasks can be demonstrated anywhere, ensuring success in high-performance and safety-critical environments. Where technology provides instant access to practical tutorial learning. At WEKIT Experience Capture Solutions, we are turning that vision into reality.
Our mission is to innovate how knowledge is gathered, shared and applied using cutting-edge immersive technologies. It began with a single bold vision to capture and share expert knowledge like never before and create an augmented reality platform that will revolutionize how professionals learn and collaborate across industries. Put it simply, we want to use technology to change learning forever.
Originating out of pioneering European Union research, funded by the EU's Horizon 2020 programme, the WEKIT project laid the foundation for what is now one of the most innovative and immersive training platforms in the world.
Our flagship products, MirageXR and Karate, built on the results of 3 years of innovating, and their intention is to make knowledge accessible, interactive and immersive for future generations of learners. These products are more than just tools. They use augmented and extended reality to create a new way to learn, to share expertise, and to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and real-world application.
MirageXR is a holographic authoring and mixed reality tool that can be used to curate and teach details of new and high-value how-to procedures fast in any environment. It combines hands-on instruction with augmented reality by overlaying expert guidance directly into your field of view.
Organizations can record expert knowledge in real time, creating engaging hands-on training experiences that blend the real and the virtual world so that users can access them anytime, anywhere. For me, the power of MirageXR lies in its versatility and precision. Using augmented reality overlays, users can follow specialist guidance in real time, making even the most intricate tasks accessible and intuitive. And crucially, it ensures that training is not just theoretical, but what I call reality embedded. It's convenient and effective because it builds on the principle of learning by experience. Fundamentally, MirageXR transforms every training session into an interactive journey where users aren't just learning, but doing.
MirageXR means specialists can mentor and train teams remotely, enabling organizations to bring their expertise to a global stage, wherever it is needed most.
There are many use cases for such groundbreaking technology, but in the vastness of space, precision and immediacy are everything. So at WEKIT ECS, we are working to innovate astronaut training through immersive technologies. Our Karate platform is transforming how astronauts prepare for the challenges of space. We are integrated augmented reality and mixed reality to enhance learning and operational performance.
Karate is targeting critical operations, such as those on the ISS Columbus module. Simulations provide precise, real-world scenarios that can replicate the microgravity environment, spacewalk procedures, and technical operations, helping astronauts master these tasks before even setting foot in space. With this technology, astronauts can engage in collaborative training sessions, practice complex maneuvers, and build the skills they need to succeed in space, all without leaving Earth.
Karate's real-time feedback, its responsiveness, and its data-driven insights mean that teams continuously improve and refine their skills, making every training session more effective than the last. Karate and MirageXR are built for the future. As we progress further into deep space, crew members will need more autonomy. They may need to undertake tasks in maintenance, assembly, operations, and repair that they've never attempted before. Increasingly, this will be hampered by the distance from Earth and communication delays. For this, Karate and MirageXR provide accurate, instantaneous, and individualized support through their task libraries.
From space missions to complex medical procedures, MirageXR and Karate's immersive training modules and real-time high-fidelity simulations meet the training needs of industries where precision and adaptability are key. They make learning faster, more efficient, and more engaging. And as technology evolves, so does our platform, ensuring that your teams always have the most up-to-date tools and knowledge at their fingertips.
At WEKIT ECS, we're passionate about the future of learning. By merging knowledge with immersive technology, we're not only making training more effective, but also transforming how people engage with the world around them.
MirageXR and Karate bridge the gap between knowledge and application, proving that with the right tools, learning can be not only effective, but transformative. Join us on this journey and let's redefine what is possible together.